Hello lovelies, it's Ada's recipes here. How are you guys doing today? Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I share how to make delicious Ofe Onugbu aka bitter leaf soup. Continue watching as I walk you through. So here I have goat meat. Put the goat meat in a pot, add onions. For some persons they don't add, but I like adding onions to my food. Then seasoning cubes, salt, don't add water, cover and leave for 5 to 7 minutes. Then add water enough to cook the soup. Cover and leave to boil. Once it boils, add stockfish. Cover and leave for 5 minutes. Then here is a combination of pepper and crayfish. I'm going to be grinding it as you guys can see. Then you add it. Then add smoked fish, ogiri. Ogiri is a natural flavoring. It's very nice in onugbu soup. So here is the thickener I'm going to be using. I'm going to be cooking this thickener, that is cocoyam. Okay, so once it's tender, I'm going to be pounding it. Here is the cocoyam well pounded. I added oil to the cocoyam. Add the cocoyam like so. Add a little bit of oil. You can choose to leave oil if you have enough oil in the cocoyam. So I'm adding my bitter leaf at this point because bitter leaf is a hard leaf. Stir very well. Cover and leave until the cocoyam is well dissolved. So as you guys can see, our soup is almost ready. The cocoyam has completely dissolved. Taste for salt. Then give it a good mix. It's ready. You can have yours with any swallow of choice. Thank you so much and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.